cute, lovely food. Iranian cuisine comprises the cooking traditions of Iran. The term Persian cuisine is used as well due to the fact that Iran is historically known as Persia in the West, even though ethnic Persians are only one of Iran's native ethnic groups that have contributed to the culinary culture. Dizi or abgosht is a stew and a favorite dish with a peculiar way of eating. Probably is the most international known Iranian dish. You need to separate the broth and the solid parts, mean mutton, peas, navy beans, and a bit of crushed wheat, which are very well cooked and have to be mashed, while you need to break some bread into the broth to eat it. I must highlight that Iranians are masters of preparing different types of rice, and what better food to have with it than scrumptious kebab. Kebab kubide or minced meat kebab is the most well-known of the different varieties of Iranian kebabs, which is made from ground lamb or beef mixed with chopped onions and Iranian spices. It's grilled on skewers, considered the picnic food, and of course, it is usually men who are in charge of preparing it. Saffron or za'afaran is an aromatic and colorful spice which is used in preparation of variety of Persian foods such as sholazad or Iranian saffron pudding, which is a dessert or sweet dish made of saffron, sugar, and rice. It doesn't take much to make. Cook the rice until it's tender and then add saffron and butter. Then stir in sugar, rose water, almond, and pistachio flakes. But remember that the best Iranian food is found in an Iranian home. Iranian moms are professional when it comes to quick snacks and side dishes. Mix a patty is an egg-based vegetarian dish made with whipped eggs, folded in with different ingredients. You can call it an open-faced omelette, but don't forget to turn it over. And remember, unlike the main dishes, this food doesn't take a long time to prepare. Legendary korma sabzi. Herb stew is a very popular dish in Iran, which comes from main ingredients and mixture of sautéed herbs consisting of mainly parsley, leeks, green onion, and coriander. Of course, this mixture has many variations. The mixture is cooked with kidney beans, lamb or beef, and dried limes for its unique Persian sour flavor. It is actually said to be Iran's national dish. You might be surprised to know that this food dates back to 2000 years. Multicolored tachin is usually a rice cake that is made up of rice, yogurt or dahi, saffron, and pieces of chicken. It can be cooked over the stove or in the oven, and when it is done, it is turned over into a platter, forming it. Seems like a cake with a golden, crispy crust. Some foodies may not think of crisp rice taken from the bottom of the pot when they imagine traditional Iranian cuisine. But tahdig is definitely a delicious exception. This simple dish is made by placing bread, potatoes, or a mixture of eggs and saffron at the bottom of the pot before putting the rice in it to cook. So, Persian cuisine is characterized by the use of lime and saffron, the blend of meats with fruits and nuts, a unique way of cooking rice, and Iranian hospitality. Food is subtly spiced, delicate in flavor and appearance, and not typically hot or spicy. Many recipes date back to ancient times. Iran's historical contacts have assisted in the exchange of ingredients, flavors, textures, and styles with various cultures ranging from the Mediterranean Sea region to China, some of whom retain these influences today.